know to anyone who's watching this. I've been asked to give a testimony, and I mean, there's so much to say, and only good, really. I've been here a few times now. This is my 4th time, and it's such an amazing healing space. It's like people are absolutely caring, nice. As soon as I get here, I just feel really being taken care of, lovingly being taken care of. The doctors are really professional, and the medicine is a little bitter sometimes. The food is a little bland sometimes, but it's just knowing that it's good for the cleanse is just, even bland food goes down really well. So I've always met really nice people here, also other patients. Even though there is not so many contacts, we eat in your own room. There is just like one day a week where there is this group meeting, but it's like everybody is just, we kind of all together go through the same experience. And yeah, I really feel like I'm very, very much taken care of. And I feel that whatever healing is supposed to happen, that this is just the perfect place for it. Nature is beautiful. I came here the first time in 2014, and the trees were tiny, and now they're huge. You have to really look up to the nature. Has exploded. It's beautiful. There's birds. There is beautiful garden. It's just like a paradise place. I'm leaving tomorrow, and I'm a bit sad to leave. And but yeah, I'm definitely going to come back for another cleanse in maybe 2 years or so. And I just feel it's really doing me good. Okay. Thank you.